Hi friends, welcome to At the Rate Success. Am I alive? Who are you? I am your past. You haven't been visiting me recently. Why? Yes, I don't visit you often these days. I am busy with some work. That's good. But why did you stop coming to me? Yes, but every time I visited you, you only made me feel more sad, think about people who hurt me and how I wasted my time and regret. Now I'm much more smarter. I plan for my future and work hard in present. And that's how I avoid visiting. Are you leaving me? But I'm a part of you. Okay, there's a way. Maybe we can work together. Next time, after my work, when I feel like visiting you, you will, run me through some good memories and valuable lessons that I've learned from my mistakes in the past so that I can apply them in the future for my improvement and growth. If you promise that, then I will visit you. Okay, fine. This sounds good. Yes, you are a part of me and I will not leave you. But yes, now I am a little busy. Can I make my video? Bye. Bye. So, how do you avoid wasting your time in past? Plan for your future. Focus on your work in present. Hope this video is helpful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.